In 2019, Apple released the third generation of Mac Pro to replace the previous generation launched in 2013. Now, Apple will prepare to launch new Mac Pro for 2022. Good morning, welcome to Tech Interceptor. Mac Pro 2019 version marks the return to a tower form factor feature a prominent lattice pattern on its front and rear sides. This generation is based on Intel Xeon-W processors and Amd Radeon Vega GPU. Currently, for CPU there are 4 configurations with 8, 12, 16, 24, and 28 cores, and 5 options for GPU: Amd Radeon Pro 580X, Amd Radeon Pro W5500X, Amd Radeon Pro W5700X, Amd Radeon Pro Vega 2, and Amd Radeon Pro Vega 2 Duo. Now, Twitter user Leaks Apple Pro reported Apple plan to release a new generation of Mac Pro in 2022 with new Apple Silicon CPUs. Always, according to this leak, new Mac Pro 2022 CPUs will offer similar performance and power-efficient core designs of Apple M1. Furthermore, new Mac Pro will be available in 3 configurations. First configuration as a 32-core model with 24 high-performance core, 32 GPU core, 64 GB of RAM at a starting price of $5,499. Second configuration as a 48-core model with 36 high-performance core, 64 GPU core, 256 GB of RAM at starting price of $11,999. Last and the third configuration has a 64-core model with 48 high-performance core, 128 GPU cores, 512 GB of RAM at a starting price of $18,999. Storage option should remain the same of today in formats ranging from 512 GB to 8 TB of SSD. If these rumors were confirmed by Apple, the new Mac Pro will mark another step towards Apple transition to its Apple Silicon processors. As usual, let me know what you think below in the comments. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.